this is Rachel and today I'll be sharing you top 5 apps which I've been using for a while and I feel like you really should know these as a student to maximize productivity. So, let's go!
The first app that I've been using every day is called Structure. This app is a daily planner which combines both aspects of calendar and a to-do list. It's very easy to use. You just have to jump to the day that you want to go and then click the plus button, add the task. Here I am adding about my lecture section on consumer behavior module. And then you can choose the duration for like 2 hours, 3 hours. So I'm choosing 2 hours for this section. And then you can choose the time. So I'm choosing the lecture time. And then you can choose color. Which color would you like to do? I usually use purple for all my university lectures and seminars. You can also add notes and sub to-do list here. So sometimes I add the Zoom link for all the virtual meetings, but now I'm adding about the flashcards and pre-reading that I have to do. Then it's all done there. So you can also choose icons. There is a wide range of icons from all the tasks that you would like to do. You can also turn on the focus mode while you are doing that certain task. The best thing about this app is you can take the task out after you finish, and for me, it gives me a great satisfaction and motivation to complete more tasks. The second app is called Notion. It's the all-in-one workplace for me and one of my favorite apps. In university section, I have my to-do list with all the tasks that I have to do with their deadlines, priority, and keeping track of my progress of how much I've done. In the reading list, I have all the articles and academic papers that I have to read for my university courses. I also put the weekly schedule of seminars and lectures and some of the important notes here. Switching to my diary account, I have this habit tracker and my diary with some of the very private information and also the reading list and the books that I want to complete this year. To create this, click the plus sign, choose template because there's a lot of free templates, and then customize the whole template that suits your needs. The reason that I'm a huge fan of Notion is because it organized my chaotic student life in one place. The third app is called Alarmy. Does any one of you find it hard to wake up in the morning? Then this app is for you. When you create an alarm, there is a mission for you. So basically, you have to complete the mission like solving math problems to turn off your alarm. There are also various modes like normal, hard, very hard, challenging, etc. So I usually recommend you to set at the normal or hard mode and set the problems to like 3 to 4. This is how it will look like, and you have to get the correct answer to turn off the alarm. The fourth app is called Forest, and it's so far the best productivity app I've ever used in my entire life. I've been using this for almost 4 years since I was in high school. First, you have to decide how long you would like to focus, and then you can choose trees to plan. So there are a variety of trees, and here I am choosing the maple tree. And then you can also add text like study, workout, meditation, etc. Then click the start button and focus on your work. If you leave the app before the timer ends, the tree will wither and die. You can also check how long you have been productive in the app. The final app is called Quizlet. So Quizlet is very popular among students already. It's very good for flashcards. So flashcards are a good way to memorize terms and definitions. In order to create one, click the plus button and then add the title. and then add the definitions and terms, and then click done and all set. You can also test yourself and see how much you scored. You can either create your own flashcards or study the one that other people created already. This is the end of my video, and I really hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye and see you.